Carefully unpack all parts and set them down on a non-scratched surface. Be sure to follow along with the included instruction manual throughout all the steps. Set down the base and install the wood dowels into the pre-drilled holes. Install the front panels, fitting them onto the installed dowels. Attach the front panels to the base using the included bolts. Tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver. Install wood dowels into the tops of the front panels as shown. Attach the top panel to the front panels, making sure they fit into the installed dowels. Attach them to the front panels using the included bolts and tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver. Install the wood dowels into the base. Attach the right side panel to the base, fitting it onto the installed dowels. Install the bolts, hand tightening. Repeat this process for the left side panel, tightening the bolts by hand. Carefully install the top assembly, making sure it fits snugly. Install the bolts as shown, tightening them all by hand. Going back through with a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten up all the bolts used in previous steps, ensuring the mantle is sturdy and none of the panels shift around. Install the electric insert, plug it in, and enjoy the ambiance of your new electric fireplace.